Learn these 3 techniques for rearranging pages in Word. How to move a page using Windows Cut and Paste feature. Enable Word's Show Hide feature by pressing Show Hide in the paragraph group on the Home tab. This displays hard page breaks, making it easier to locate and move pages. Position the cursor at the beginning of the current page by pressing Ctrl plus Home. Select the entire page using the mouse, or hold down the Shift key while pressing Page Down key until the selection reaches the end of the page. Press Ctrl plus X to cut the page and copy it to the clipboard, or click Ctrl plus C if you don't want to delete the content. Position the cursor where you want to copy the content and press Ctrl plus V. How to move a page using the Navigation Pane in Word. Click the View tab and check Navigation Pane in the Show menu. In the Navigation Pane, click the heading that begins the page you want to move. Drag the header to the end of the list. This will display a bold, guiding line. Drop the header into position. How to move pages using Windows Extended Clipboard in Word. Using the Cut and Paste method above, cut the page to the clipboard. Position your cursor where you want the cut page to appear. Click the Clipboard Group's dialog launcher. In the History pane, click the page you want to insert at the cursor position. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.